Alright, done. Thank you. To a wonderful father with love on Father's Day. Happy first Father's Day. It's my first Father's Day, son. Thank you. Love from your son Mac and your son Fred and your wife Kathy. Thank you. That's fantastic. This poster? Oh, boxing. Oh my goodness, that's great. Thank you. Thank you, son.
You liked it,
Look.
Mac. You were right.
Look, the boxing. Yeah, Dad's favorite. Hi, kid. Hi. What? Oh, bless you.
Bless you. Bless you. Yeah. Up you. Up you. Up you. I'm holding the camera.
Oh, okay. Ready? Go. One more time. One more time. Ready?
Having fun with your dad on Father's Day?
Are you? Huh? What do you say? Are you a happy fella? Are you a happy fella? What do you say? You say, hi, Dad, on Father's Day. Thanks very much for the boxing magazine. Yeah, I appreciate that. I really do. You know how your dad likes boxing? Yeah. There's only one thing he likes more than boxing. That's his son, Mac, and his wife, Kathy, and his dog, Fred. Those are the only things. Yeah. The only things. Oh, a nice drool spot coming out of your mouth. Yeah, get in close up there, honey. Nice drool, that's it. Look at that drool. Oh boy, yeah.
Here's another drawer.
Okay, I'm going to teach you the proper way of eating pancakes. Now, first of all, you pour the syrup over the pancakes, like such. Oh boy, does that look good. Take a little bit of cottage cheese. That's it. So we've got to eat this cottage cheese up because it's only good till 23rd. So scoop a little of that on. Right now. There we go. There we go.
And now that we've utterly bored everyone. Yum yum. Yum yum yum. Yeah. Yum yum yum. You just want some pancakes, don't ya? Yum yum. You want pancakes, don't ya?
What do you say there, pal? What do you say?
Yum yum. Woof woof. Where's Woof woof? Is he outside? Is Freddy outside? Where's Fred? Where's Fred? Where's the Woof woof? Where's the Woof woof? Woof woof. Woof woof. Yeah, he's outside. Is Fred outside? Is he?
Hi Fred, how you doing? You being a good boy? Oh, big stretch. That's a boy. Yep. There's our house. Here's my car. street.
Mama story? Are you telling Mama story? What? What's it all about? What? Matt? Yeah? Wow. What else? What else? Are you like yeah? Is that so? Yeah. Who's this? Bunny? Is that your bunny? Hello, Mr. Bunny. Hi, Mac. Mac. Hi. Hi. Oh, there we go. What? Hi. 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 Yeah. What? Kick, kick, kick. Hi, Mac. Hi. Hi. What's it doing? Oh. Oh. Since the birth of our child, Fred has been a little depressed and has tried many attempts at committing suicide, including lying in the middle of the road. I know. We love you too. The end to a perfect Father's Day.